Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Richard Beck. You're watching Beck's Armory. Today I'm gonna cut some tube steel. Now, if you guys have ever cut any type of steel, if you do any type of metal fabrication at all, a good metal cutting chop saw is definitely gonna be at the top of your things to buy list. Now, I've tried abrasive saws and they work nice, they work fast, and they're low cost, but they melt through the metal. And the problem with that is after you cut it, your metal's super hot, which reduces, how easy it is to work with because, if it's red hot, you're not going to be able to touch it. Also, it smears the material, which requires a lot of cleanup of the joint. Now, there are a lot of good options. The one I've chosen is the Evolution chop saw, and I am really, really happy with it. Now, not only does Evolution not just sell saws, but they have a really big lineup of saw blades. They have saw blades for steel, they have saw blades for thin steel, they have saw blades for aluminum, stainless steel. They have one saw blade that's made to cut a little bit of everything, right? Wood, plastic, steel, everything. So that's their multi-cut blade. So no matter, even if you don't do metal fab, if you need any type of circular blade, Evolution Power Tools is definitely a very, very good option. I run all their stuff and I'm very happy with it. Today on here I have the 14-inch 66 tooth saw blade, and I'm going to cut through some quarter inch thick wall tubing. And then I also just got the 15-inch blade, and I'm going to compare the two. So I'm going to make a cut right here. I'm not going to fast forward the cutting portion. You're going to see how long it takes to cut through. Then I'm going to swap out to the 15-inch blade, which I'm not sure how many teeth it has, but it has a lot more. And the advantage of a 15-inch blade is the larger diameter will increase the surface feet per minute of the actual teeth. On top of that, additional teeth at additional speed, I'm going to remove more material per revolution. So that's really nice, which means I should be able to cut faster and smoother with the 15-inch blade than the 14-inch blade. Now that's my hypothesis. We're going to test that out on this video right now. All right, so let's go ahead and make our first cut. This is cold. I can touch this. I haven't cut the footage or at all. This is cold to the touch. Let me grab the piece that fell down. So this is the piece that we just cut. It's also cold. Overall, nice shiny cut. So that is with the 14-inch blade. Let me swap out to the 15-inch blade and we'll give a cut with that one. All right, there you go. Just cut a whole bunch. Now, when it was brand new, it bounced a little bit, and I don't know if it was just so sharp, but as soon as I cut a couple pieces, it just started getting really, really smooth. So I don't know if, you know, some teeth are slightly sharper than others, but I cut like 2 or 3 pieces, and it just started sliding through like butter. Overall, guys, this thing, I mean, the proof is you just watched it. I just cut a whole bunch of 1.5 by 1.5 square tubing, and it cut really fast. And the cuts are absolutely beautiful. This is the very last one I cut. That cut is perfect. Almost no burr at all. Cold to the touch as soon as it's done. Like I said, links in the description of this video where you can get the saw, the blades, the BA shredders. This is one of the most important tools I have in my shop. Everything I do, I use this and I use my BA shredder. If you're a metal fabricator, that's just how it is. 2 things you need, a 2x72 and a good chop saw. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for this video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. That will really help out with the algorithm, and it'll help the engagement metrics for this video and my channel, which I would greatly appreciate. It costs nothing, and it's the easiest way that you could help me help you. See you later.